What's going on, everyone? Welcome back. We got another hard reset today. We are doing today we're doing the Maxwest Astro A65. If you have one of these and you have a pattern or password and you forgot what it is, we'll show you how to do a hard reset and delete all of that. But just remember, anything you have on the phone is going to get deleted, pictures, videos, etc. So if you have anything important on here, it's going to get deleted, so keep that in mind. And also, guys, if you haven't yet subscribed, we have a ton more of these hard resets and teardowns coming up, so we'd appreciate the support. Otherwise, let's get into this. First thing we want to do is make sure that the phone is off. And in this case it is. You can just pull the battery or turn it off with the power button. You have your volume up, volume down, and power button right there. And what you want to do is hold volume up and power at the same time. So I'm going to start off by holding volume up first, then the power button. And sometimes it takes a second to actually load. There we go. So we get into our bootloader options, and we want to use the volume up to navigate to recovery, and then volume down to select recovery. So we are at recovery, we hit volume down. This is a nice phone. We will have a teardown on this model too, so if you guys are looking for that, and show you how to replace the charging port in the screen if we get to that. But once we get to the no command screen, what we want to do to get over this is we're going to hold power and tap volume up and let go of both buttons relatively quickly. And I'm sorry, there we go. That was the slowest I could possibly do it. And then you have these options here, and you want to use the volume buttons to scroll, power button to select. So scroll down to wipe data factory reset. Hit the power button, confirm, hit the power button again. It's deleting, it's done, and then we can either reboot or power off, and in this case I'm just going to power it off. But that is how we do a hard reset on a Maxwest Astro A65. Hopefully you guys found this helpful. If you did, if you could like, share, comment, and all that wonderful great stuff, we would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.